All right, everyone, here I am with Josiah, and we're gonna do today's lab. Now, normally for today, you would come into the room and there'd be a big sign, don't touch the Legos, but today, too bad I get to touch them, you don't. So we have our Lego lab that we're gonna do, and the Lego lab, what it's doing is, we're talking about pressure. If you remember in the last lesson, we learned about Pascal and how he really loved pressure in confined spaces. So dump these guys out. All right. Today you don't have to worry about making sure all the pieces are there or anything like that, so that's kind of nice. We've got the instructions on the laptop right here, so you just want to follow along. Josiah, you're pretty good at Legos, right? So you just want to kind of follow along and we'll build it. So the colors aren't necessarily the same, but go ahead, start doing the first step there. And
put them on?
Yep, you build it just like in the little picture right there. We'll see if... do we have everything? Here we go. Pieces. Right. A couple of pieces over here from. Alright, so we've got this piece up here. This piece goes right here. You need the two long pieces. Right? And then they kind of go like that. So
okay.
Like this guy goes here in the picture. That guy goes there. Very nice. All right, so we have the first part is already put together for you. It's amazing, yes. And then you're building the next piece right here is, here you go, it looks like this guy.
Wait, what?
What? You're building this little guy right here.
How? Oh, wait, I have to use this. I was like, what?
There we go, Lego Master. Okay, then we'll move on to the next picture. Okay, so the next picture kind of looks like this.
2x2 are those? Oh, I can just do.
Yep, one guy goes there. One guy goes there. Those go on the end. Very nice. And then next, let's see here. Oh, this guy. They all attach. Yeah, those go on the sides. Yep. And then these attach. Hold on.
No, Daddy, go away.
No.
Oh.
You gotta look at the picture.
Yeah.
Oh, disaster! This goes on here. This goes on here. This guy goes back like this.
And then
this goes on.
Yeah.
See, there we go. Look at that action now. Look, we've got moving pieces already. Okay. Then what are we doing next? Now we're gonna have that big one and the little. It's gonna go through there. So
yeah. So then we have to.
This guy.
This?
Well, first you have to go like this.
I see. You have to, put it.
You have to put this through here.
It's the third one, yes.
And then like that, and then you touch those little end jobbies.
Okay.
Okay, so we have that stepped on. And then...
Yeah. There you go.
Then the final step... Someone else? Is this guy goes in here. And like that. Are we missing a piece? Oh, there it is. Okay. I thought there was other disaster with that. Okay. Then we're going to hook everybody together here and everything. So here's the key that makes all of this work so well. Oh, you know what? We did it totally wrong. Hold on here. Technical difficulties. Sorry, I'm not paying attention. This is our pumper. This one goes over here. Oh my goodness.
No, it's on third. It's on third. It's on.
This one?
Yes, third one.
Okay, goes in here. That's going to make it a lot easier. And then that guy goes on here. And then this guy goes up here. Yeah. Here we go. You got it. Lego Master. Okay, so this is what the key that makes everything work right here are these pieces to it, right? And if you ever want to, you can just go on Lego's website, just look up Lego pneumatics and you can buy them. There is a pressure gauge that we were talking about. There is an air pumper, like this. There is the this little plastic container right here. This just stores extra air in there, so it's just like an air storage device. And then there's like an on and off switch, right? So what we want to do is let's see if I can remember how to do all this, right? To get it all set up and everything. We need lines that attach to this guy. One on the top here, and one down here on the bottom.
Wait, should I test this one?
Let's do this.
What do I test?
Well,
this
it won't work if you do it that way. Okay, and then we need one of these guys goes on the right hand side, the other one goes on the left hand side. Then we need another tube to go in the middle right here.
And that middle tube will be the tube that.
Now the middle tube, hold on. Sometimes they're hard to get on. The middle tube connects to this guy. And then this guy, if I'm doing this right, connects to our pumper. Oh wait, hold on. There's a gauge in the middle. Well, we want this guy goes right here. Then that piece. And these have been stuck on since last year, so they're a little bit tight. This piece goes on here. There's a lot of steps to this, isn't there? We're getting there. We're almost to the end. This piece goes on here. This goes to the pressure gauge. And then the final step is, okay, now we can hook it all together. This last little tube goes right here. It goes to your pumper. Are you ready to pump? Are your muscles limbered up? Got big muscles? Okay, so what you're gonna do is, we'll turn this to off first. And then if you pump a little while, you're gonna build up air in here. So you pump and pump and pump. And while he's pumping, we'll see if you can see it on there. The little gauge is going up higher and higher and higher because what we're doing is we're putting in pascals, remember, of pressure into this white little container right here. So as you're pumping, keep pumping, keep pumping. Look at that, you're getting a little more pressure and a little more pressure and a little more pressure all the time. Then when you're ready to actually make your little dumper go up and down, well, that's where the little switch comes in. So do our little switch.
Which way?
I don't know. You did it right. And then if you turn it the other way, it'll go back up. Whoa, look at that action right there. Very nice. Oh!
Alright. Will it go down like if you...
Yeah, if you flick it. Just 2 hands. See, it goes down a little bit. So every time you use it, it goes down. I don't know if you can see this from there.
Let me pump it.
He's pumping. He's pumping. Maybe, can I zoom in more? There we go. He's pumping, he's pumping, he's pumping. The pressure's going up higher and higher and higher and higher. Okay, and if you turn the little switch.
Wait, how much is it?
Oh,
So.
it went down. And it goes down. And it goes down. But that's what the little white plastic piece is doing, is it stores up some extra air pressure in there. It's kind of like storing up energy so that way you can do a couple switches. You can do a couple, flicks of the little switch and make it go up and down after pumping for a little while. Some people, when we do this in class, they don't have this little white piece, and so they can only pump it, and maybe they get 1 or 2 little open and closers before it doesn't work anymore. Right, so there's our pneumatic lab right there, and you get to have it done in just a few minutes instead of that taking all period. All done.